Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in today's video I'm going to show you on how to switch ruler settings in Photoshop. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Alright, so the very first thing you need to do is to simply open up your Photoshop. So for instance, let's say when we are trying to create a new document, we set our file to be pixel and you want to switch from pixel to centimeter, or you want to switch to inches. Instead of you to create a new document entirely, you can simply switch from centimeter to inches, or from inches to centimeter, or from centimeter to pixel, which is what I'm going to exactly show you in this video. So let's see. The very first thing you need to do is to simply come to the top right there, go to your edit tab, then having click on your edit tab, come down below right here under preferences, and then this is going to prompt up. Next thing you need to do is to simply look for units and rulers. So simply click on that, and this is going to pump up. So under the unit and ruler right here, you have this particular dialog box. Then right here, you can come to the ruler. From the top right there, you can switch to inches. Once you switch to inches, you are going to see the inches from your ruler right here. You can also switch back to centimeters, just like what you see right here. Everything depends on the kind of what ruler format you want to switch to. So if I want to simply switch back to inches, it's as simple as that. So once you are done with everything, next thing you need to do is to simply come to the top right there and click on OK. And it has been fully effected without creating a new document. It's as simple as that. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial about Photoshop. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.